So today we say goodbye to a legend that started everything. Now, all these 4 that are left, I've had 12 before and I'm just slowly selling them. They've been workhorses. The Bambu Lab P1S Combo, the original OG. This has been a blessing. They've ran me 4, 6, 8,000 hours as I've been growing the business, and they've done it all. And they're very reliable. So if you really do want a printer, highly recommend it. But we're moving on. And what we have here are Flashforge Creator 5s. These are non-pros, so they don't have covers, no chamber heaters, but they do already come with hardened steel nozzles. Right now I'm just going through calibration, setting up a few of them that came in. Pretty much a lot of my prints have come down to being multicolors. And the reason why I decided to have these take a step back is because these will save me time and material. And having the multi-tool heads are amazing on this. This is wonderful. This will come in, dock, grab, print, dock, and then put it back, dock the next one, go. It's not purging out like the regular Bambulab P1S does. A single nozzle will always keep purging to flush out whatever is left of the filament to move on to the next color. This will not have to do this. So it's an end of an era, but we'll see what's in store for Bambu later on. But right now, Bambu does not offer a multi-tool head. That is why I'm moving on to Flashforge right now. Right now they have a great deal going on right now. I believe it's Creator 130, 135, 125. Look it up on Google. I just found it. Amazing sale prices right now. I don't know how long they're gonna last. It's not an advertisement. I'm not sponsored. I'm not getting paid by them. Nothing. This is strictly, I bought this with my own money. I've been expanding my business, growing it, and watching it grow. So this is my next decision in the business, is moving on to something that will help me save material and time, and ultimately too, money on what I'm buying for my printers. So these will basically do all 3 for me. So yeah, you guys got Flashforge Creator 5, let me know. I also have a U1. The reason why I went with the Creator 5 over the U1, nothing wrong with the U1, but it's mainly price. I pretty much got this almost $200 cheaper than I would have U1. And like I said, it's money. This is a business. This is not a hobby for me. I like doing hobby stuff, but for the business side, this is more cost effective for what I need. And I've already had this one now for a couple months. You can check out my first video I did unboxing this and talking about it. People maybe want to call me a hypocrite, whatever, but honestly, I've been really enjoying it so far, and it's been just working. I've had a couple hiccups, but same thing with the U1. So really been enjoying it. It's been working. Trying to still learn the ins and outs of things I had issues with, but it works, and it's been successful for my business. So like I said, expanding on, going from there, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, let me know what kind of printer you guys got. You know, I'm curious. What does everyone feel? Maybe even for their small business or just their day-to-day life. What do you guys got? What are you interested in? Are you guys looking at getting a Flashforge Creator 5? Maybe you're looking at getting Bambu Lab. You know, whatever. You know, like I said, nothing wrong with this. But these are going to be retired or just doing single color prints now for me, depending what I do with them. Because these are, honestly, for the used market, they're so cheap. This is not a bad idea if you guys want to pick up a P1S combo. This is with the AMS one, so these don't heat up, but still phenomenal. Still, I just I can't speak highly enough about these. But still, we're moving on. Let's see what happens with the business, if it keeps growing, and moving on with life. So happy printing, everyone. Enjoy yourself. Thank you for watching, and take care.